This song about Manu and the magical fish hook is a story about learning to seek wisdom, so our minds will grow and discover wonders. I hope you like it.
This hook has chosen you to teach you to see the world in a different view. Cast for insight, let knowledge be your prize. Learning's a treasure that never dies. Manu, learn to look and listen each day to see the world in a brand new way. Fishing for truth, his mind open wide, discovering wonders with the sea as his guide. From that day on, Manu could see wisdom and magic in sand and sea. A world full of wonder for a curious mind. When you fish for knowledge, here's what you'll find. Manu, fishing in his canoe, found a magic hook shimmering with the morning dew. A wise god appeared with a message so true. Seek wisdom, not fish, and your mind will grow anew. Manu, fishing for wisdom's light in the ocean blue. Day and night, a boy and his hook, a story so bright. Manu's tale forever in our sight.